Morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. So today we're working in the garage. Behind me, you will see my storage unit. A lot of people ask me, Shakema, where do you store your food? So I have these pantry shelves that used to be at our church when I was in charge of our church pantry. We no longer have a church pantry. We're not in that building we used to be in before. We're in a different building. And so when we were moving, I purchased these shelves. I purchased these shelves and the wall unit that's behind where this camera is. So we are currently building up our 3 to 6 month storage pantry, but we don't have enough space to fit food. So we're going to be working on the other section of this pantry where we have our homeschool stuff. And we're going to combine and condense homeschool stuff. The kids are now in 11th grade and 7th grade. And some of the stuff we just don't need. We will try to donate what we can, give away what we can. And whatever we need to trash, we're just going to trash. But we have to get some space in here. Now, the other thing is my sister has her stuff still here. She has not bought a new house yet. She has a storage unit, but she had a few items that she just needed to have somewhere to put instead of getting another storage unit. And it was fine for her to put those things in here. But I'm going to shift them out for a sec just so we can get some of these things moved down a little bit. Because we've got to free up some more space for our canned items. So we just thought you guys might want to come along with us as we work in our garage today. Yes, lovely daughter child. Okay, so I need anything that can be moved this way. Move that. Just slide it that way.
So what were you thinking about butter?
So that we would have some extra. You can leave one down.
No, like, do you want to leave sticks down?
Yeah.
Or do you want to?
Leave some sticks in there because I might need something that says 2 tablespoons. I want to be able to use the measuring. Sorry. Jackson, I need you to do a favor. Get up there. You see those 2 baskets right there and that basket right there? Bring that down. That's going to Goodwill. Because I'm just not using them. I'm going to make a Goodwill run. I got to get some of this stuff out of here. Some of this stuff just got to go.
Hey, Mom.
You think I should wear this?
Should we move more like
about
over
this
this one? What do you think, Mom? You're the queen of suits and all that stuff. I'm not for it. But do you want this moved over like over here?
Yes, I'm going to get out the way in a second. I'm trying to find some stuff that I could send on because I know some of these things I just cannot wear. And it's just in my way.
Of course I will.
And I wanted to put my coats out here, the ones that are in my closet that are taking up space. But I know those can go.
More coat?
They're in my closet. Put it down. It's going to the Goodwill. There's another basket way up there. Can you get that one?
Not me.
Okay. I can't see. And then let's go through these boxes too. So we don't just have boxes. Can we move along? Now what we should be able to do is just shift her stuff like this way. Father in the name. We should be able to just shift everything this way. Hang on, let me move this. That can be clear. That's hers, right?
Mm-hmm. Not ours.
Okay.
We have a shark.
I think I might have a purple max.
Okay, so now we should be able to at least.
Well, isn't all the homeschool stuff over there?
It is, but I
That's
need
fine.
these cabinets freed, and I need this stuff shifted over.
Is that one?
Probably. You could look and see.
Okay, where are we? Let's go. This is awesome.
That's perfectly fine to be hers, but can we put this over there on that shelf, on the bottom shelf? We might need that.
Which bottom, Shelton?
Look, over here. Or put it on top of that white. Put those over there. Just things that we need to have. This should be over there. On that. And over there.
Not too dark. What is it?
Grab those. Do we have something else we can put her hangers in?
I don't know if we have a bucket large enough. Let's use one of those light buckets.
Do we have one of those? Which one? Jackson, are any of those buckets free, empty? Can we just pull it out for right now?
And then another one.
I got it. Put it on the black table for right now. We need to see if we have like a tote that we can put her hangers in. I thought we had paper towels.
We do have paper. And there are paper towels.
What is this?
That's paper towel, and I think
Paper
two
towels.
toilet papers. Yeah, those are paper towel, and there's something behind it. I don't know what it is.
Did you get it? I don't know. Toilet paper, I think.
So more
Put
toilet
that
paper.
toilet paper up there so I can know what I got. Get a chair if you have to. This all needs to come out. All of this. Everything. Right now, this almost thing works. Oh, it does work.
Those are when we had blackouts during hurricanes.
So they should be in the. They should be in the bucket wherever all the light stuff is. Anything that deals with lights. This is trash.
Paper towel. Some stuff from up here. You need both of these free?
Huh?
From top to bottom?
All of that free. What is that? Something from her stuff too?
It is.
Do we know what it is? Hats.
Hey, you're right. Look at all these hats.
We don't want to start messing in her stuff, but I do want to make sure that
We can just smooth it over.
yeah, we can just put all her stuff together. Can I get a trash bag, please?
Oh, yeah, this is ours. We actually don't have them. But these wheels are in something they're just not open. The empty box that you guys sent up. And there's cookie gun.
That can go to Goodwill.
Cookie gun?
Yeah, I don't. Well, it's gotta go. Okay. So in order to make room for her stuff, we gotta get this homeschool stuff in just a couple of shelves. So we still need to move some more stuff over.
The broken lamp.
This needs
The
to go.
broken scooter. The old bed. Not broken, by the way. You should get that to Goodwill.
What?
Yeah.
No, I paid money for this.
Oh, I'm gonna send it back to Italy.
I won't take it back. I tried. I won't take it back. Slide that over. This is going for Goodwill.
Oh, I remember these. It's like the pants.
This chair is broke.
Yes.
That thing is broke.
What about the crate?
Hmm?
What about the crate?
What crate?
Men's crate.
Her crate stays.
We keep the crate?
Keep the crate. I might need it. She don't use it right now, but I might need it for something else later. It should have pool Those are pool noodles. Look, stuff just fell out. This stuff just fell out. Is there any more light anywhere?
Both lights are on, and that's the only light we have.
Probably could open up this door and be okay. Where's ma'am?
Under your bed. You know how she feels.
Okay. So what we need to do is start moving stuff, condensing it this way.
Ooh, what are those?
We need to go through these books. If there's any books over here y'all do not want,
Yes.
then
What
we.
are those?
Oh, these are just things I gave out to parents or as little gift things. That's
Cute.
trash. Look, I got a zillion of stuff.
Trash bag.
Trash. Already, first contestant.
This can go.
Ministries.
Trash.
Her trash. Rock.
Oh, this was like history. I'm gonna go over some of this.
Oh, that's actual stuff on paper.
Yeah, that fell out of here probably.
Probably. Well, actually, Ma, how could it though? There are no holes.
Maybe I forgot to put it in there.
Lamination.
Put that in there. I'm gonna go through this. Just right there. I want to go through that. Will you put it on that table over there? Jackson, will you bring that,
This one? Oh, wow. You might remember it if it's close.
Bring what, Mom? So might means no.
yeah, in training language. Here's what I need for y'all to do. I need y'all to go through these books to
We can use
figure
a
out.
flashlight.
No, we need to just open up this garage door. That's all. Let's just open it.
And let the bugs in?
We'll close the house door. Which should be closed anyway because you're letting the air conditioner out.
And we can't let the mammy out. Is it good? Wait, we have to remove these things from the door.
From the door so that it'll open. It should be able to open. It should open with no problem. Try it.
Gotta be quiet.
Alright, that gives us a little more light. So we need to go through all these books and figure out our life.
And get a broom.
And get a broom. But can we go through the books first?
Mhm.
We should not have any more than 2 rows of books and be done. These I'll go through right fast. If somebody would just pull that down for me
I'm
so
gonna
I
grab some
don't
flip flops.
hurt myself.
Oh, I'm ready to get
I'll go through them right over. I'll just go through them.
There's a plate.
Actually, you know what? Let me get a chair and I'll sit out here. Tell Jackson to put
A small table.
No, I don't need a small table.
And where are you gonna put your thing?
I'm just going to sit it on the ground and go through it. All right, you guys. So we did not do a lot of filming the process. It was a lot, y'all. Just a lot. But we have been able to free up at least 4, 8, 12, 14, 15, 16 more of those cubby holes if we need them. Now, I'm going to move these bottom 2 things over so that it is, they're not being used right now anyway, and nobody would need them, to free up these shelves down here. And we did have a big pile of trash, so I do have some things that need to be in the trash. This lamp needs to go. I've got a thing that broke over there. This table needs to go for trash. This frame we're keeping here because we have the bed for the fold-out bed. Probably what we're going to do is end up putting that bed back in here as soon as I get Jackson's room squared away. And we'll just have that in case we need it for guests to come over. But other than that, we have done what we set out to do when we came out here in the very beginning, which was to free up space out here so that we now have more room for our food stuffs. Excuse me, sister. Which is the most important thing, is to have room for the food. So we're going to finish putting everything back, and we're going to be done with this project. All right, you guys. So we are tired. It's hot out here. Still looks like we have a lot of stuff, and we do. My sister's stuff has to go. And then I'm going to go through these racks behind me. I'm actually going to go through all those bins and just get rid of stuff that cannot live in our house any longer. But for today, we are done. So we got rid of, oh man, we had homeschool stuff from 3rd grade, 2nd grade, and Jackson's in 7th grade. So we did find some homes for some of the homeschool stuff, which is extremely helpful. And it's still good stuff. Like, we hadn't even used it. I just bought it because when you first start homeschooling, you are like gung-ho and you want to get all the things. And we didn't end up using it. So it's going to find a great home, perfectly fine with us. And we are done for now. So there it is, making space out here in this garage. We thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.